Does YouTube TV have ads? Yes, YouTube TV includes advertisements. Here's what you need to know about advertising on YouTube TV. Number 1, understanding live broadcasts. When you watch live TV on YouTube TV, you will see the same commercials that are shown on traditional broadcast television. This means any ads included in the live broadcast by the networks will also appear on YouTube TV. Number 2, video on-demand content. For shows that are available on demand on YouTube TV, you may also encounter ads. These ads are typically placed by the network providing the on-demand content and can be skipped. Number 3, recorded content, DVR. If you use YouTube TV's Cloud DVR feature to record shows, you will generally be able to fast forward through commercials in your recorded programs. However, for some programs, especially if they're available on demand, YouTube TV may require you to watch the on-demand version, which could include unskippable ads instead of your recorded version. Number 4, YouTube Premium integration. Having a YouTube Premium subscription does not remove ads from YouTube TV. YouTube Premium only removes ads from videos on the standard YouTube platform, not on YouTube TV. Ad-free options. While you cannot completely eliminate ads on YouTube TV, you can minimize interruptions by primarily watching DVR recordings, where fast-forwarding through commercials is possible. YouTube TV's structure includes ads as it replicates the traditional TV experience, including the commercial breaks that fund the broadcast and cable networks.